Hey everybody, so here we are on this beautiful day at the Baileyton Antique Mall.
Yeah, it's the first time we've been in here.
First time for Hunter too? Yep, first time. These birthday kids. And so let's go check this out. Follow us. So let's check out some of this cool stuff they have out here. Brandon Farms, Greeneville, Tennessee. Strawberry shortcake. Guess they also buy antiques.
Oh wow. All these old-fashioned lawn chairs.
It's we should be doing just sitting there in the lawn chairs.
Yeah.
There's an ice crusher.
Oh wow.
Alaska ice crusher. And this old wagon. Some of this old farm equipment. And we got this old truck. That's a beast.
Wow.
Yay, old Timey Candy.
That's a nice, refreshing touch
Yeah.
to see these old things. Big hunka. Love their taffy. I remember that.
Yep. I remember what it did to my teeth.
We have evidence of what it did to your teeth.
Yeah.
They have a guest book that you can sign in, which we will do.
You can do that. And it's right in the middle of the store. Cool old Ford. Old gas pump.
Honey, they've got sweet. The pump back there. What a nice setup.
And some old toys. Got a lot of old signs.
Yeah, they're all authentic. Oh my goodness. Things like this you just don't see anywhere. Oh, Keebler Elf.
Yep, that's the life right there. Taking it easy.
That's so cute.
Put some stank on it.
This is a really cute vendor in here.
Yeah. Of course, Dolly. Dolly merch. Lots of Dolly merch. They got these really cool little clocks here. Hunter wants one of these. And there's an old radio. It's pretty awesome. Some signs. And some old tools. Magnets. Hunter checking out the magnets. Christmas bears. Did you just say more ceramic trees?
Yeah, but these ones plug into the wall.
And Steph has some of them too.
I'll buy one of those.
These are a little more, I think, like newer type.
I like the blue one. Pretty cool.
And we're gonna have to walk Stephanie quickly past this section, or I'll never get her out of it. There's a gazelle. Hey, and he's only $700.
Yeah,
Only. Keyword there's only. This stuff, Bear Creek Candy Kitchen. You got some Buckeyes, fudge, caramels. Have you seen anything cool?
Yeah. Yeah, these kinds of things. I just can't get over. Oh, it's crazy good. That's a great, what is that?
that thing's heavy.
Cast iron?
Yeah.
So I like this guy. He would go beautiful in our primitive room.
Yeah, and Hunter also brought up the deer tracks in here.
Oh, reindeer were here.
Yeah, we lost Stephanie to the Christmas. Not that that's a surprise. That's a pretty cool clock. Have this sourdough brew bread, different jellies, relishes. One of my favorite things, pickled okra. Hunter loves pickled okra too. Stephanie hates pickled okra. She's weird.
Yeah.
So they do have some moon pie merchandise. Love you to the moon pie and back.
Those are so...
Just the eye candy. Old cigarette machine.
Yeah, an old cigarette
An old
machine.
Sinclair pump. An SO pump. Gosh.
Hey, and there's still a pack of Lucky Strikes in there.
That's just... Oh, these old clocks here. Sweet. Oh.
What's some of these? What am I looking at? Old clocks.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
That's shelf sitter. And these guys, 350 firm for Pyrex. Well, 350 firm.
Oh, those are good trout.
Hunter likes them. $350 firm, honey.
Yeah, well.
You better go get a third job.
Yeah.
Wreaths. You got an old Hoosier cabinet in here.
Yeah.
Some old cow pictures.
I see. I think these are gorgeous. I think they're gorgeous. Hunting pictures. Love it.
And then look at these 10 old trucks and a tractor. Old oil lamps. And there's an old scale. And then they got a bunch of cow hides. All different types. And also got a still in here.
Oh, that still was cool.
Mm-hmm. They got some old antique
That's right, you did.
black powder shotguns. These are pretty cool. Yeah, I'd have to build onto the house for that.
I think we could squeeze this in the...
No,
No.
we couldn't squeeze it in.
I love the ingenuity here. You see? What is
Yeah, right. Hunter said it best. You couldn't squeeze that into the car.
Look.
It would have to go in the roof. Yeah, that's adorable.
Oh.
More. That's an old record. I thought it was a plate. I'd stand corrected. And a bunch of Star Wars stuff. It's at the Millennium Falcon. There's Princess Leia. And got a bunch of camo military stuff over here.
Yeah, you're gonna find it. It's free.
It's a 1930s keyboard. Amos and Andy. I'm not going to pretend that I know who that is. But at any rate, kind of neat. All right, so what'd you think, Stephanie?
Of the Baileyton Antique Mall, it was wonderful. They had so much eye candy in there and a lot of one of the kind.
Yeah, they did.
And a lot of things that I saw that I would love to have.
Yep, and it sits right here along 81 in Baileyton. I'm going to show you their truck real quick. Their truck says it best. And
what do you think, Hunter?
I think it was great. It was a lot of eye candy, good ambiance.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, it was really displayed well in there.
Yeah. Now, I personally thought that their prices were a little high, but all in all,
they're very quality antiques.
Yeah, they
and
did.
I think that you would find this quality in closer to Gatlinburg, and here you are out in the country.
Right.
So finding that quality, you might be willing to pay a little more.
Right. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We want to thank everybody for watching. Hit the little bell. It'll let you know when we post again. And until next time, have a Steph-N-Lee day.